Hello and welcome to this video for Spinetics Elementi. This video is just going to show you a brief overview of the Elementi interface as a whole. The Elementi interface is set up into three separate panels, the first one being the preview panel here in the top left. This will just show you a preview of what your project will look like. This is also where you can go size and position layers once you added them to. Down here in the bottom left is the Browse panel. The Browse panel is broken up into several different tabs that you can browse between. First one being the Projects tab, which are all of the Elementi projects that you created. You would publish a project to one of your players or all of your players. This is where you can go all of your projects. Widgets tab is a collection of the widgets library. We'll talk about specifics of the widgets library in another video, but this is all of the widgets that come with the software that come in the Elementi. You have Elementi M or X, have an Assets tab. Use the Assets tab to store frequently used files that you use in multiple projects for. If you have a background that you use in every one of your projects, you can have a collection of videos that you always use. You can import them into here in the Assets tab so that you can get to them. Next tab is the Devices tab. This will be a collection of all the devices that you have either manually added, which you can do by right-clicking in the white space, selecting new, typing in proper information, or if your players are on the network and subnet, they will be automatically discovered and check mark. The last tab is the current project that you have open in the Browse panel. The name of this tab will change depending on whichever one of these projects that you have. If I open up the Weather project, you will see that the tab changes to Weather. This is just a quick way to get back to your project. Let's say you were browsing in one of the widget folders. Quickly get back to your project. Click on this tab, and you're right back in your project instead of having to go back to projects and double click. That brings us to the last panel over here, and this is the edit panel. When you're inside of a project, this will show you all the layers that you have in this project. The project actually currently has 2. This also allows you to edit any of the widgets that you added to your project. Double click. So the edit panel is where you can go order your layers, add new layers, how you change your project. Across the top is the toolbar. This is your main menu here. This is how you can add new files if you like. Right clicking down here in the Browse panel. That's my personal preference. And then we just have some various media alignments, media fits, and over here you add new layers as well, like or delete layers, document properties, text formatting here. Buttons will illuminate, become relevant to wherever you are in your project. So if you're dealing with a text layer, text formatting in the middle, light ups, editing text. So they're grayed out. That usually means where you are in your project is function in the top tool. That's the Elementi interface nutshell, and very much for